Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya uan kubleye pi baro ki page ba ki baju page ki khubor ling bau Antor News don hangni hapo ka surong ka banlait na nongpo sha Guwahati bat kumjuru hakani ka por Antor News layo ban yakren ya Shri VS Rathor balong IPS Senior Superintendent of Police Riboy District ulai Kublai Christmas ya phi baro ki pat ba jong kan nongpo constituency but Shri VS Rathor ula ong ya ki pat ba udap da ka jingkemen banyo ya ki pat ba jong ka Riboy District ki badon ya ka mensim jong ka jingeteli ban rakhi ya ka ni ka Christmas ka ba itinat ka Christmas ka ba kemen bat kumjuru na kaliang ka jong ula penpau ba uya weru ya ki pat ba jong ka Riboy bakin sngo bhaban rakhi kene ka Christmas da ka linti jong ka jinge sngo tho jingmun bar kan don ka jingsngan ha ka let ka wan ka jongki om da ka nu ka jing ka linti jong ka jing sngo si bat kumjuru ula kentu ya ki pat jong ka Riboy District bakin don ya ka jingyai ne ban penne ya ka shinong ka thau ya ka imlang ka salang ha ka jing ya teli penne ya ka jingsngan bat ya ka jingelong ka we wong bakalong ka baday ban rakhi ya ka Christmas namar ka wanra ya ka jingetli habaro kinong shong jong kani ka dong bat ka than kumta SP Rathor ula pinpau ya ka minsim jong ka jinkmen ya ka minsim jong ka jingpho samrki banyo banya don bentalang bat ula kemenru da ka bauong ba kani ka peni ka dak jong ka jinkmen ba ka jingetrailang hapdeng ka police department kumjuru bar ki pat nong shong jong ka Riboy bat kumjuru ringkat bar ki bor jong ka an bat ringkat ka sarkar ban pin ya ka jingwan nong briu jong ukhulung shakane ka prthei la aimen simru ban nang ni shakman nginang ya trailang na ka benta ka shongsup ka shongsan ha ka imlang bat ka salang beshu.
First of all, because this carnival has been, I'm told, a great success. A lot of people have been flocking this building. Not really for shopping all the time, but to see the lights and decorations and the festivities, the mood, everything. So, very nicely done. At the same time, being the district police chief, it is my duty to say a few words on how we celebrate this next few days of festivities. Just besides me there is a Christmas tree. Just give a comparative statement. The Christmas tree symbolizes your expectations from the government, your freedom, your right of speech, your right to move around the town freely without any fear, to have a sense of safety and everything. At the same time, you see these decorative lights. Those are basically the rules and regulations and your fundamental duties. So the Christmas tree looks much better and beautiful when the decorative lights are arranged nicely and it's all lit up. So just wanted to pass a message. If you want to enjoy life to the fullest, celebrate responsibly. Especially, we have seen from our experience, a lot of our young boys and girls, they get carried away sometimes. They start with a small party somewhere in the afternoon, by the time evening, the dawn, dusk comes in, they are also almost fully under the influence of whatever they consumed the whole afternoon. In the evenings they try sometimes the kick of overconfidence and that overconfidence that I am in full control of everything, nothing will happen to me. They start driving their vehicles, bikes, cars, scooters, and then there is a freak accident here and there, and then there is nothing left except regret. So it's my message. Obviously, we will do our duties, we will be on roads, keeping everyone in check. But the effect of our duties it gets amplified much more when the people cooperate and behave in a responsible manner. So just a small message: do whatever you want to do in your life, but don't violate rules, especially don't drive when you are under the influence of alcohol or any other intoxicant. Just a small request, let us keep you safe, and you also let us keep you safe by being a bit responsible. I don't take much time, it's a very
So on this Eve of Christmas, I just want to say one thing: celebrate responsibly and don't get carried away. You should be very responsible when you drive or you are on the road as a pillion rider, whatever. Always wear helmets, seat belts, and if you are consumed alcohol or any other intoxicant, please don't drive. We'll be very strict on the roads next 10-12 days, and we don't want to spoil your party or anything, but at the same time we don't want any death on road. We don't want any family to mourn in this season of festivity. To celebrate responsibly, that's all. So everyone is supporting us, right from the government executives, bureaucrats, public, NGOs, media. Everyone is in support of these traffic drives because it has brought the accidents down to almost negligible now. Very few serious accidents in last 1.5 months. So it's giving us results, so we'll continue. Everyone, all of us are in this together, and this is all for public safety and the safety and security of each and every citizen.
From your side, yeah.
In our state, there are so many languages which are spoken. We tend to give our messages in almost all major languages like English, Hindi, Khasi, Garo, Panar. But there are many more languages. In Bhoi also there are so many local dialects. So it's not possible for us to write in all the languages all the time, but we try to make it as best as possible so that as many people as possible they get the message and it makes our job easier. So we will go according to requirements. Doesn't matter which language, if it is required, we'll do.